In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a rule in Outlook to move emails. This is a simple way to keep your inbox tidy by sending messages to the right folder automatically, so you spend less time sorting and more time focusing on what matters. Start by signing into your Outlook account and head to your inbox. Pick an email that represents the kind of messages you want to organize. Maybe it's a newsletter, receipts, or messages from a particular sender. Right-click that email to open the context menu. Using a real example like this helps Outlook suggest the right conditions for your rule, which makes setup faster and more accurate. From the menu, hover over Rules, then choose Create Rule. A dialog will open with suggested conditions. You'll typically see options like From, Subject Contains, or Sent to. Select the condition that best captures the emails you want to move. For instance, if you're organizing all messages from a specific sender, choose the From option. If you want to catch a type of message, pick Subject Contains and use a specific word or phrase. Next, check the box for Move the item to folder. This is the action that tells Outlook to file those emails automatically. Click the Select Folder link. Choose an existing folder if you already have one set up, or click New to create a folder specifically for these messages. Give the folder a clear, memorable name so you can find it easily later. Then click OK to confirm the folder selection. Click OK again to save the rule. At this point, the rule is created and will run on new incoming messages that match your conditions. If you'd like to clean up your current inbox immediately, check the option that says Run this rule now on messages already in the current folder, then click OK. Outlook will scan your existing messages and move any that match into the folder you chose. That's it. Going forward, Outlook will automatically file matching emails into your selected folder. A quick tip: keep your conditions specific enough to avoid moving unrelated messages by accident. If you rely on notifications, remember that moving emails out of the inbox may change how alerts appear, so keep an eye on your folder or mark it as a favorite for easy access. And if your Outlook layout looks a little different, don't worry. The names of buttons are the same or very similar across Outlook on the web and the desktop app. Thanks for watching. Now you have a clean, automated way to keep your inbox organized with rules that move emails exactly where they belong.